Welcome to the IQClass 1 tutorial video. Today, we will show you how to teach efficiently in teaching mode. Whether it's quickly importing lesson materials, easily switching tools, or smooth handwriting, teaching mode offers more possibilities for your classroom. Resource: import PDF or PPT's IWB lesson materials. Quickly start teaching with One-Click Floating Toolbar. The floating toolbar contains the following features to help you annotate and interact in real time across any software. Select content for modification or copying. Pen. Write freely. Choose colors. Eraser. Erase unwanted content to keep the page clean. Embed. Content annotated in desktop mode can be quickly embedded into Office files and converted into images. Tool. Here are some handy tools to enhance your teaching experience. Visualizer. Connect external visualizers, like the IQView Document Camera E4520, to display real objects such as assignments or book contents to the entire class. Magnifier. Magnify specific areas to help students focus on details. You can adjust the size and zoom level of the magnification to highlight key parts of your content. Curtain. Cover information on the screen, perfect for testing student knowledge or gradually revealing content. The size of the curtain can be adjusted to fit different portions of the screen. Spotlight. Draw students' attention to a specific section by focusing a spotlight on it. This tool helps direct their focus to important areas in the lesson. Timer. Use the countdown timer to manage class time effectively and keep students on track. Subtitle. Display scrolling subtitles, which can be customized in terms of color, size, and speed. Great for attracting students' attention and aiding comprehension. Rank. Record student scores and rankings to track their progress and performance. This feature encourages healthy competition and boosts student engagement. Capture. Use the screenshot tool to capture and save the current screen content for later use. Back. Return to the whiteboard interface to continue your lesson. Smooth writing experience on IFP. Use the eraser to remove unwanted content, or select and delete content with your finger. After selecting text, choose colors and adjust the thickness and text. Use bring to front, send to back, etc. to adjust the layering of shapes. Add links, copy, or lock selected objects to prevent accidental modification during class. No need to switch modes. Write with pen, select with hand. Use regular pen, fountain pen, or highlighter to write and mark freely, with customizable colors. Text recognition pen. Quickly converts handwritten content into text, saving time. Shape recognition pen. Draw freehand, and the system will automatically recognize and create accurate geometric shapes, like circles, rectangles, etc. Stamp. Reward students for good performance. Magic marker. Drawing a circle can bring up a magnifier. Drawing a rectangle can bring up a spotlight. Drawing left-right arrows is for navigating up and down pages. Drawing a triangle inside-outside an object deletes the object. Laser pointer. The laser pointer function allows you to highlight and point to specific areas on the screen, just like using a physical laser pointer to guide students' attention to important content. IQClass 1's teaching mode simplifies teaching with easy material imports, quick toolbar switches, smooth writing, and precise annotations. Enhance interactivity and engage students effortlessly in any classroom scenario.